if your iPhone speakers is at the highest volume and you are still not satisfied with the sound you are getting, let me show you how to boost the sound and also increase the volume of your headphone.
So you go to settings, then you scroll down to find apps, select apps. Now scroll down till you find music. Tap on the music and then you scroll down till you find EQ and then click on launch. Go back to uncheck the sound check. Now to boost your headphones volume, open your settings and then you select accessibility. Select headphones accommodation. Turn on the headphones accommodation and then you move it from slight to strong. And you will notice the difference in your sound.
Did you find this helpful? If yes, I want you to give it a comment, like, and share to anybody who needs it. See you again.